Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix two of the problems you might encounter when you're setting up a new Windows 11 computer. One is when you're setting up the computer and you get to a screen like this. It's asking you to connect to the internet, but you don't have any internet. I'm going to show you how to get past this, and this video will also help you if you have a second problem, which is you don't want to set up your computer using a Microsoft account or an email address. You just want to sign in with your name. So let's see how to do it. Okay, what you need to do to get away from this screen is press the following keys on your keyboard. Press Shift and F10 together and you'll see a command prompt appear on the screen. Now you need to type task mgr and press Enter. Now this window appears. You need to click More Details at the bottom, and you'll see a big list like this. You'll need to find Network Connection Flow. This list is alphabetical, so scroll down to the ends. There's Network Connection Flow, so click on it and then End Task. And watch what happens in the background. The screen changes. Now you can close both of these windows, and you can now set up the computer by typing in your name. It does seem strange that Microsoft are making it so difficult to set up your computer now without having an online account, and I guess it's because they want to push more people into using their online services. If you've been as frustrated as I have about this, then please vent in the comments. And if this video's helped you, please remember to like it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.